lunch sa Escargot Restaurant. Ibig sabihin ng escargot is isda, karne, gulay, at iba pa. And nasasarap rin ng mga desserts doon. Parang Bali-inspired restaurant siya. Kasi the restaurant is in the middle of the rice field. Usually mga Filipino dishes. Kaya masarap. And marami rin mga celebrities na gusto kumain doon. Hi guys! So, nandito na tayo sa Bae, Laguna. And we're having lunch here at Escargot. So, it's a Bali-inspired restaurant. So, come on, kain tayo. Guys, eto na. So, umorder na kami. Mostly kasi mga Filipino dishes talaga. We have sisig, ginataang langka, chicken adobo, and this one is pulao. It's an eggplant. Parang, inihaw muna yung eggplant. And then nilagyan ng coconut ghee. Plus, it has sibuyas on it. Pero sobrang sarap na guys. And yun, inihaw na tilapia. And of course, this one, anong tawag dito?
Lagadera.
So this is not lagadera, it's takore. So yeah, it has bulalo soup. Sobrang sarap ng bulalo soup dito guys. So, and of course, order rin kami ng buko juice. So, order for us to the fish. And these are my fellows in Spice Team. This is Jella, Sir Raymond, Jason, and of course, our videographer guy. Come on, let's eat guys. Gutom na kami. Bye. Later. So guys, we've done eating our lunch. So, dito kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung outdoor look nung mismong restaurant na Escargot. Sobrang sarap ng lunch nila, and as you can see, yung mismong owner ng Escargot is plant collector din siya. So, mapapansin nyo, may different kinds of plants. May orchids, may ferns, may may hoya. Tapos, meron din mga different varieties ng calathea. Yan, different kinds of mayana, aglonema. So, may pond siya na punong-puno ng plants. So, if you're a plant lover, when you want to buy your favorite plants here in Bae, so it's good. It's really good to stop by here at Escargot. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to water your plants.